Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how can you enter a new line into your WhatsApp chats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp application. Firstly, you have to open your WhatsApp application, and after opening the application, just simply select any of the chat that you want to add new line. Step 2. Enter your message and add a new line. Now, after coming to the chats, you just simply have to type your message here. And after typing your message, to go into the new line here, you just simply have to hold your shift key into your keyboard and press the enter button. Then it will give you the new line into your WhatsApp chats. Now just simply click to enter and you can send this message very easily. By following these very easy steps, you can also enter a new line into your WhatsApp chats. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.